Today, I'll walk you through how to change line spacing in OneNote, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to adjust line spacing so you can create a more organized and visually appealing note-taking experience. First, let's get started by opening OneNote and navigating to the notebook you want to modify. This is like opening a blank canvas where you can express your thoughts and ideas, so take a moment to find the right page. Once you're in the right notebook, highlight the part of the page that you want to add or modify the line spacing. This could be a single paragraph or multiple sections of text. Make sure that you highlight all the text that you want to adjust. It's totally normal if this takes a moment. Now head over to the Home tab at the top of the OneNote window. This is where most of your formatting options are located, similar to how a chef gathers all their ingredients before cooking. Under the basic text options, look for the alignment option. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, choose the paragraph spacing option. This is where the magic happens. You're about to customize how your text flows. Next, you'll be prompted to write the value of the adjustment that you want. This could be a specific measurement, such as adding space before or after the paragraph. Once you've made your selection, click OK to apply the changes. Finally, take a moment to check if the adjustment satisfied your preference. Look over your text and see if the new spacing enhances the readability and overall look of your notes. Remember, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The options may vary depending on your version of OneNote. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.